All right, this is a 2016 Ram Promaster City 2.4. I'm sure you guys already know about the fan that are going bad. So I already have the old one out. Just gonna go through the steps that I did to replace it. Obviously, you have to remove the front bumper. Now, to remove the front bumper, let's show you guys. See it? This is the bumper right here. So at the bottom, you're gonna have screws here, all the way around, and you're gonna have screws right here too. And you're gonna have a plastic tab right here. This is kind of a pain to remove, but you can push the splash guard back, and there's a plastic Phillips head right there that you can screw out, or you can just cut it out, which is what I did. Once you have the front bumper taken off, you gotta jack the whole car up a little bit because the fan's gonna come from the bottom. Let's see. I went ahead and disconnected the battery terminals too, just in case. So once you have the front bumper removed, you're gonna remove, let's see. So you have this metal bar right here, like that, which is held. So you have that metal bar like this, and you have this plastic bracket right here, like that. So it's gonna have four of these screws, or bolts, which is 16 millimeter. So it's like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll come out like that. Now, also you'll have a 10 millimeter nut right here. Once you take that off, this metal bracket will still stay on there. All right. The reason why it's still staying on there is underneath. Let me see. You will have this bolt right here, which goes under here like that, like this. So the bolt's gonna be under here, and that is gonna be 6. It looks like this. Same on the other side. The bar will come off. Now, once you have that removed, you can go ahead and disconnect your this is your fan connector or relay module, whatever you want to call that. Got a tab right there, and you press that connector and you just pull it up, and then you go at the bottom. Actually, you can do it from the top. There's the fan connector, the fan wiring harness. You pull that yellow tab up and then disconnect the wiring. So you have 1, 2 wiring. Once you have that removed, the fan is being held by this guy right here. Let's see. What you need to do is you need to push that tab in and then lift up like that. So push it in and then lift it up. Now you're gonna do it on the other side too. You're gonna do it on that side also. Right there. Push that tab in and then lift up. Once you get that released, you can lift up the fan and the bottom, let me see if I can zoom in, that bottom piece right there, it'll come off once you lift it up. Then you will have this guy right here, you just pop it off, and you'll have one more. This is your transmission line right here. Just pry it out with the flat, it'll come off. And then you'll have one more. Let me see if I can zoom in. You'll have another tab right here, right there. Just grab a flat and pry it out. This connector will come off, and then, like I said, the fan will come off from the bottom. So just lift it up and just push everything out the way, and then the fan will come down, and then you can slide it out. This is the old fan right here. This fan is bad, that's why I had to replace it. Put everything back together, crank it up, and should be good to go. That's it.